Hello everyone, this is Hassan from Mouthful Economics. In this video, we'll talk about proportional and inversely proportional relationship. First, we'll talk about proportional relationship. Proportional relationship is also known as positive relationship. Let us assume there are two variables, x and y, where x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable, meaning value of y depends on value of x, and the relationship between them can be expressed using y proportional to x. Now what does it mean? It means that if x increases, y increases, and if x decreases, y decreases. This relationship here can be expressed as a function. We can write y is equal to kx, where k is a constant. For example, say y is proportional to x. Here k should be a, not just a constant, a positive constant. Now here y is proportional to x and y is equal to 100x. Here if x is equal to 1, y equal to 100. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 200. We see here as x increases, y increases. Now let us talk about inversely proportional relationship. Let me first write it down. Inversely proportional relationship, also known as negative relationship. Again, just like the first example, say there are two variables, x and y the dependent variable, x independent variable, and we can express an inversely proportional relationship, or we can express a negative relationship using y is proportional to 1 by x. Here if x increases, y decreases, but if x decreases, y increases. This relationship here can be written as y is equal to k by x. For example, say if we write y is proportional to 1 by x and y is equal to 100 by x, here k is again a positive constant. If x is equal to 1, y equal to 100. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 50. Here we see that as x increases, y decreases. But if x decreases from 2 to 1, y increases from 50 to 100. Well, this is all for now. Don't forget to practice. There is one disclaimer though, not a native English speaker, therefore following my grammar and pronunciation is subject to tremendous risk. Anyway, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Want to learn more? Follow the link in the description below. Bye bye.